As you can see, there are some floating shit in, and they are stuck. They are not moving at all. There are some particles inside. Now we start the fan. I will show you the recirculating of the liquid instantaneously. We have a nice and smooth recirculating of the liquid. Yeah, it is making some bubbles. I don't care, because that is the Atiradian. It's used to get pretty warm here, because you know Ati. CPU is half inside and half outside to an optimal cooling. As you can see, the fan moving the liquid is powered by my bench supply, so I don't have problems for shorts and things like that. Yeah, the fan is pushing hard in the liquid, and that's not water, that's oil, and it's even more thick. So as you can see, I have hard drive outside. This that I use for improving sound and memory out of PC. Here is the button, hard drive, and the power unit. As you can see, back. Let's stop it. Okay. Let me see. Let's go. Let's go. It works. It works nice and easy. See you again. So, see you again.